Well, well, look who's out. Got this thing out. Gotta remove this, and then got my new tank right there. As you can see, definitely seen better days though. Hopefully I have all these fittings. Nice thing is Peterbilt is right across the street, I guess. And should be good. Come on, stay in. Yeah, that's the plan. Transfer all these fittings onto this new tank right here. Probably gonna have to go around the Peterbilt regardless, get a few parts. Luckily it's right there. And finish this thing up, and then hopefully my truck should be done tonight or tomorrow morning as well, so I can get it re-inspected. Keep y'all posted. What's going on, everybody? I know that it's weird to find an angle where the sun's not hitting. Maybe from back here. Yeah, I hit myself up here too yesterday in a couple spots under the freaking trailer, because whenever I was working, the wrench will slip off the line and it'll smack you in the forehead. It's not fun. Anyways, we're at the trailer back today. My truck is still not done, but it's okay because I have plenty of work to do on this trailer. Figure I'd show you a few things. So let's turn this camera around, get to it. As you can see, today I got my Jetta. I didn't bring the Ranger. I just gotta do a bunch of driving around, and that thing, to be honest, just sucks on fuel. And I was like, let me just take the Jetta because I don't need the bed for anything big. Today's star of the show again is gonna be these Vera wrenches, just because they are so freaking awesome. We'll show it to you in action a little bit more today, hopefully. I got the air tank already mounted on there. I just need to connect all the lines, and then we got a little bit more work to do. I brought some wire wheels on the grinder. I brought this stripping tool from Harbor Freight that I've used before, and I plan to sand down, because the day is so nice, to sand down this trailer bumper because it's all rusted up. Sand it down and repaint it, reprime it, rusty primer, and then repaint it, and then put some new tape, because I did put new tape all around up here, but I want to put new tape down here as well. Just get this trailer ready, and then check these bumpers. You can see there it's going out a little bit, and stuff like that. And then also out in the front here, I have to replace this electrical plate. So that's kind of gonna be the goal today. I doubt my truck's gonna be done. This thing, as you can see, it's cracked. I gotta replace this thing, unbolt it, take it off. So it's okay. Still got a few things to do. And I doubt my truck's gonna be done today. So probably tomorrow or something. And then Monday I'll take it in to get re-inspected. And then we should be good to go. Funny thing, I was at Volvo. First of all, if you need some brake cleaner, go to your Vanguard, your Volvo dealer. $2.50 a bottle. That's dirt cheap. Anywhere else you go, Freightliner, Peterbilt, they're like $6-7, if not more. So definitely, this is the way to go. This first aid brake cleaners. And then these gloves. I don't know if you know anything about mechanical gloves, but these are some of the best gloves I've ever used. They do not break. Like, they will not rip. And the funny thing is, a Vanguard box of these gloves, one box, is $32. But if you buy a case, you get 10 boxes for $120. I mean, I'm not the greatest at math, but that's 4 versus 10 boxes for the same price. Actually, the 4 would be more, because that'd be like $132, I suppose. No, 4 times 2. $128. So it would be even more. So definitely, I just went ahead and bought a box, tax deduction. It's all right. It'll get used. It's not going to go to waste. But yeah, that's the plan. Got my dirty clothes on. I managed to bring my working boots. Yesterday I worked in my new Ariats. I re-greased them. put some shoe shine on them back, and they're looking good. I don't want to really work in these because they're my new boots, and I want to drive in those and whatnot. But yeah, let's get at it. We'll keep you guys posted. As you can see under the trailer, hopefully this thing doesn't fall on my face, but I want to show it to you in action. And this is with my left hand. Check that out. So, boom, come back, self-adjust, boom. You are not doing this with a regular crescent wrench. Let's even focus in more. Right there. Thank me later. Here we go. Finally got this thing all zip tied and knitted up. And then here they had that little thread end faucet. I just installed this regular. I'm gonna install a little line so I can just pull in, drain out condensation. Over there we got the same situation going on. Done with the tank. Now I'm probably gonna grease up my S-cam bushings and my slack adjusters, and probably my landing gear too, and then start working on that bumper and that electrical thing in the front. Let's keep at it. All right, now we're moving on to this bumper. I already did some of the areas with this thing. I moved on to a grind there and a pretty coarse wire wheel. As you can see, there's like chunks of metal, so I can get those. So yeah, that's the plan. I'm gonna keep at it, keep knocking all this out. There we go. I mean, that's as good as it's gonna get us sanded down. Now we're gonna prime it with some rusty metal primer right there, and hope for the best. And then after we prime it, hopefully I got some silver paint somewhere back there and make it look a little bit better. I mean, for the main thing is I'm really just wanting to do the area where the strip goes, but the rest, you know, just make it look a little bit better. Let's keep at it. The nice thing about this primer is it dries very fast. Yeah, I mean, there we go. Definitely looks better than it did, all peeling and chipping and whatnot. Especially when we paint it silver. Throw some paint. Yep, DOT's not gonna be on our behind. Let's keep at it. There we go. Final coat on there. Thing definitely looks slick. Just gotta throw that tape on the bumper and be good to go, man. Definitely looking a lot better than it did. Gotta take care of your equipment. That's gonna do it for today's video. Catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching.